In this walkthrough, we will see how you can edit properties of an Azure Search Service account that you have added in the team edition of Cloud Portal. So there are a few things that you can edit. First, you can change the search service API key. Second is you can change how you want Cloud Portal to save the API key, and you can also change the search service account's friendly name. So now that we know the things that you can change or edit as far as managing a search service in Cloud Portal is concerned, let's head on to the Cloud Portal and see how you can do that. So here I am on the Cloud Resources dashboard in the team edition of Cloud Portal, and this is my search service account. Now what I have before, in order to edit it, what I will do is I will select this search service account, and the moment I select this, I can see this edit button come up on top. I can click on it, and or otherwise I can just right click on this particular row and click on edit button. So now I can see all the properties of the search service account. So I have my account name that I cannot change. Then I have the API key. So if I want to change the API key, I will replace this API key with the new API key. I can change the data center region if I want to. If you notice, this is by default disabled, and in order to change it, first I have to click on this change button, and what this will do is it will enable this drop down. Let's say we don't want to change any of these things, so we go on to the next one. Now this is where I change the behavior of saving the API key. So right now I have this encrypt and save the API key in Cloud Portum's database. That's how I opted to save my API key. If I want to change it to so that I want to store the API key in my browser, I will just simply select this thing, and friendly name change. So I can change the friendly name. So let me just change the friendly name here. We will not touch other things. So I will change this thing and then click on save changes, and the changes will be committed to the database. So this is how easy it is to change or edit the properties of an Azure Search Service account in Cloud Portal.